Alright, so basically what I did was I put the two batteries that came with this in parallel, and I soldered them together, and I made one line with it. You obviously have to figure out a way to attach it on here. I just used a small little zip tie, and I can just unplug from right here, plug into the charger to charge both batteries. The advantage of having the batteries in parallel is not only do you get double the flight time, but it's actually less stress on the battery, so you get a little bit more flight time out of it. We've been flying it for at least, flight for a minimum 15 minutes without having any issues. You do, because you're adjusting the weights, you are going to have to make sure you set the trim for the flight when you first start off. But once you set the trim on the flight, you can fly around no problem, and it'll last a lot longer than just a single battery pack would.
All right, try it again, Shane.
It's going towards the wall.
Tim,
Let's get those things up rubber.
Tim, I don't have any sand here, but at home, just dust it lightly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's gonna hit something, change the direction.
I'm
Go, up.
gonna let you hold it. It's beautiful. That's pretty
Shane,
cool,
start
Shane.
button, start button.
Awesome.
Up. Go forward with them.
Is your mom taking this?
Forward. Forward.
It's not working.
That's hard.
There's a start button here. So.
I did.
Towards you. Back towards you. Back towards you.
Wait, which way's the direction?
This goes
Held
forward.
itself on your.
But which one goes this way?
You're using both at the same time.
Okay.
Get your fingers stuck on each one.
It'll be my turn again.
Direction.
Left into the gas gotta do this outside. Smash
Terrible
I
drivers.
got this, guys.
Terrible drivers.
Please try something.
Good landing.